How to find groups in Telegram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to find the groups in Telegram, first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Telegram application. Here, make sure you are logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, simply what you can do is you can just swipe and drag your chats and you'll be able to find your groups in Telegram. Next, what you can simply do is you can just tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner of the screen and then tap on the new group if you want to have a new group. If not, you can just go back and you'll be able to find all the group, or you can just tap on the search bar and here you'll be able to see all these options of channels, chats and so on. So just tap on the group name over here. So let me just search for the group over here. Let's search and here you'll be able to find your group on Telegram. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.